Okay, you've got your main course, you made a salad, and you've just realized you forgot your side dish. No worries, because we've got an easy skillet go-along that's on the table in about 20 minutes. Not only is it quick, it's so good, it might win an award for the best supporting side dish. In a skillet, we begin by sauteing some chopped onion in a bit of oil until it's tender. To that, we add some uncooked white rice and saute it until it's golden. We add some chicken broth and let that simmer for about 15 minutes or until it's tender. And now for the part that gives this dish its big, bold flavor. We add in a can of black beans that we've drained, a generous amount of corn, some fresh salsa, cilantro, and a bit of ground cumin. 5 more minutes is all it takes for the flavors to blend together. Then it's ready to serve. Maybe garnish it with a bit more cilantro, and it's a party of flavor in every bite. Whether you serve this with roasted chicken, a burger, or on Taco Tuesdays, you can't go wrong. To get the recipe for our Fiesta Rice Skillet, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Makes you want to dance, doesn't it?